A bat has won New Zealand's 2021 Bird of the Year, infuriating bird lovers in the country. It is the first time New Zealand's only native land mammal has been included in Forest and Bird's annual contest. After a 2-week campaign that nearly broke the internet and turned friends against one another, the long-tailed bat, also known as Pika Pika Toroa, won the competition. Yet the victory infuriated some people. Fuming Twitter users called it a total farce and said the win had eroded faith in the democratic process. Another bird lover said there needed to be a recount by conservation organization the Forest and Bird, which runs the competition. However, some people celebrated the win. Social media user Safian said, "Thank you for bringing awareness to this amazing species." Bird of the Year spokeswoman Laura Keown said, "I think I'm going to be fired." Kiwis clearly love their native bat. The campaign to raise awareness and support for this little flying furball has captured the nation. A vote for bats is also a vote for predator control, habitat restoration, and climate action to protect our bats and their feathered neighbors. Ben Paris is a senior conservation advisor at Auckland Council and a New Zealand batman. He said, "Long-tailed bats, or Pika Pika Toroa, are a unique part of Aotearoa's biodiversity, but lots of people don't know they even exist." There are Pika Pika projects spanning the whole country with conservation communities doing great work with our bats. The more citizen scientists we have out there looking for Pika Pika, the more conservation work we can do to understand and help them. These bats were added to Forest and Bird's competition to help people get to know them, and their story has flown around the world. The competition began 7 years ago as a way to raise awareness about New Zealand's native birds, many of face extinction. It has proved extremely popular, with even the country's top politicians wading into the debate. Last year, a songbird that boasted extra-large testicles was among the contenders competing to be crowned New Zealand's Bird of the Year after it was endorsed by a local sex shop. The hee-hee, also known as the stitchbird, is a medium-sized songbird that inhabits the mature native forest of some of New Zealand's smaller islands. According to New Zealand Birds Online, the hee-hee has the notable distinction of having testicles 4 times larger than expected based on its body size. Its sizable scrotum was just one of the attributes that attracted the support of the adult toy megastore, which nominated the hee-hee in the country's much-loved annual competition. Polyamorous partnerships, unusual among birds, are the reason for the highest larger loins as more sperm is required to mate with multiple females.